This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to stop applications accessing your camera on your Android phone. So if you want to give or revoke permissions for your camera app, go to Settings, going down to Apps, then go to the top right and go to Settings. Here, go to Permission Manager, then wait for this to come up, and we go to our camera. And we can see all the applications used in our camera. So these are the ones allowed. Accessibilities is allowed for some reason. Factory camera, I'm not sure what's that. Smart switch. So I'm going to go to one of these and I'm going to go to don't allow. It says if you died, okay, so I'm going to go to don't allow anyways. Whatever, I'm not sure what that is. So don't allow. You can revoke the permissions for the camera being used. So you can see all this stuff. Now here's the not allowed section. If I ever want to give permission to it, so like for Facebook for example, I can go to like allow all the time or ask. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.